This is the Bosch T4B Gravity Rise Wheeled Miter Saw Stand. The patented Gravity Rise system lets you set up and break down in seconds without removing the saw. Rapid release universal tool mounts fit most miter saws and have rubberized feet for use on a bench or on tabletops without causing damage. Adjustable supports can handle up to 16 feet of material. This stand can be used for a broad range of applications. A leveling foot lets you dial in stability on uneven surfaces, while 8-inch pneumatic wheels were built tough to handle job site terrain. So this is it, the Bosch T4B Gravity Rise Wheeled Miter Saw Stand. For more about this stand, reference this page, and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch miter saws and stands.
The Portamate PM4000 from Bora Tool is the most practical, hassle-free stand there is for miter saws or chop saws. It's rugged, dependable, and no nonsense to provide the pro or enthusiast with the ideal stable, portable platform to get in, get out, and get the job done right. No tools are required for setting up or breaking down the stand. And the quick mount tool attachments give you the freedom to easily remove the saw for transport in virtually any vehicle, for storage, or even for use atop your workbench in the shop. The tubular steel design not only makes the PM4000 strong, it allows for 2 material supports that can be pulled out to support boards up to 10 feet long. Whatever the job requires, if your saw can cut it, the Portamate can support it. Lightweight but never light duty, the Portamate PM4000 from Bora Tools is the lightest, most compact contractor-grade stand on the market.